Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to rename multiple files. So I have these, for example. Before they were like different names and stuff. So first of all, you want to select every single one that you want to rename, then press F2 or right click and press rename. I'll show you all again. What the hell is this? Rename right here, and then let's type, for example, movies. We're gonna change this pretty soon. Don't worry. Then we're gonna go here to rename with PowerRename. You can get this in GitHub or like Microsoft Store. With PowerTools, it comes pre-included. It's free. It's made by Microsoft, so you should trust it. And yeah, you're gonna type in your name. This is the file system I have. So the MM means month. The DD means date, like day. HH means hour, and yeah, this means year. So then you're gonna type in what you can do this, like this is what the new name is gonna be, so you can do this on yourself. You can see there are like tutorials here, but just type in the thing you named all the other ones, and then you want to press apply. I don't know why mine is Swedish, but this one, yeah, just press it. I would prefer to have only file name. No, wait, what? No, only this one. Wait, what? I'm a little lost, but just press like this, and everything is renamed. You can tweak the settings a little bit, but this is just how I do it. And I was struggling for some reason, but and I searched it up, but I couldn't find any sources. So yeah, I mean, it's a simple fix once you think of it, but like, yeah, it works. Hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.